Hello everyone, I am Mandar Vengankar and this is a video demonstration for a major project. Our topic is social media sentiment analysis for COVID-19 and my group members are Sankit Andre and Pratik Mane, and we have completed this project under the guidance of Professor Deepak Karya and Professor KT Talele. Okay, so what is social media sentiment analysis? Because of the recent COVID pandemic and due to the lockdowns, the social limitation there has been a limitation on social interactions, but people have adopted to various social media networking sites like Twitter to express their feelings, their emotions, and their sentiments. So this is a very valuable data which can be harvested. So this project demonstrates one of the methods and one of the applications of uh, harvesting such valuable data. So our project flow would be something like this. So it would the first step is data scraping. The data is processed and cleaned for further analysis by removing of stop words. Then we are performing exploratory data analysis for finding out any hidden patterns or anomalies. This is followed by a sentiment tweet extractor using the Roberta model, and finally integration with a website based on Django and HTML. Okay. So the first part, which is data extraction and cleaning. So we are using the IEEE data set from IEEE data port. Then we are hydrating it using the consumer keys and access keys, which we have obtained from our Twitter developer account. The tweets are limited to India specifically. Then the data is cleaned by removing of stop words, by removing of URLs, by removing of symbols, emojis, etc. All the non-relevant data has been removed. And finally, the output from the sentiment extractor, which is the IEEE sentiment score, which is 0 or 1 or negative, that is replicated in the form of negative sentiment or neutral or positive, and the dataset is divided into training and testing sites. So now we will see what is exploratory data analysis and the sentiment extractor.
So as Mandar explained you about the project and how the data was collected, now I'll explain you the analysis part. So the aim for exploratory data analysis was to discover hidden patterns, anomalies, etc. present in the data. Uh, Critical in the formulation of the model was analyze the frequency of words occurred in the data. So as you can see, we have created multiple graphs which plot the sentiments of the tweets, as well as different types of radar plots. As you can see, we have pie charts, exploding pie charts, and then we have also calculated the frequency of words which occur in the data set. For example, in this case, this is the sentiment triggers, and these are the word clouds which we have obtained of the data set, which represent the most frequent words occurring in the data set. So these are the popular bigrams which we have found in the data set. So the bigrams are basically words which come adjacent in the data, and how often they occur together. And so this is the data for this is the code for creating a network plot which shows a network of the words occurring together. And this is for the bigrams for the whole data set. And this is for the retweet count, which means it will show the dispersion of the retweets over the data set. So now after this, we have also created a code for a sentiment analyzer. So we have used the Roberta model, which is trained using 5 stratified k folds, as well as we trained it using multiple training data sets. So this is the code for the same. And this is the sentiment analyzer, which is a function to predict sentiment by and applies it on real time script tweets. So yeah, so these are the tweets that were scraped, and these are the sentiments predicted by the model. So these are the scores for the same, as you can see, for positive, negative, and neutral. And this is the confusion matrix, which gives good values of false, of true, negatives, neutrals, and positives. And yeah, so in the end, this is the yeah, this is the final output for the predicted tweets, and we have stored it in form of CSVs. So now some you how the website functions.
Okay, so as my partner explained you about the model behind the sentiment, model behind the like the Twitter model that we have made for the sentiment detection. Now I will explain you the website that we have made for incorporating that model into our website, and so we are also detecting the tweets as you saw in the Excel sheet that on the our website. So this is basically the website that we have created. As you can see, this is basically the India centric website. We are totally focusing on the India, and as you can see there are total cases, total recovered, active and total, and these are the basic symptoms and the prevention that one should take to prevent the COVID-19. Yeah, and this is the about us page, that is our vision, our technology, our story, and the team, and what we serve. And as you can see, this is the COVID-19 tab where you can see the global cases, and based you can search any country, for example India, and you can see the specific stats based on that. And now I'll move to the home, and this is basically the plots that we have created. Now as you can see, this is the top 5 countries that we have chosen, and as you can see the COVID-19 cases per day, and in the bottom you can see the metropolitan cities, that is top 5 cities, Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Indore, that we are focusing on. Then I will show you the state-wise plots, and this is the state-wise condition of our country based on COVID-19. And you can see the total cases. These are basically the active cases right now. Now I will show the model. I have added the model to the website, and if I go to this live tweet section, it will pull the tweets and it will detect the sentiment. So it will take some time because it is getting the tweets from the API, and we are applying model to the tweet so that it will predict the sentiment. As you can see, it is loading. Yeah, so this is basically the tweets that are getting extracted from the API, and you can see the tweets that is posted by the user and the sentiment that is been extracted from the tweet text. And as you can see, the tweet text is going to our model, and our model is giving the output, so it is predicting the sentiment also. So yeah, this is basically the goal of our project, that is detecting the sentiments from the tweets of the people. You can also read the tweets, and people are expressing their concern. A lot of people need help in this kinds of situation. So a lot of people use Twitter as their source for the help. So we are also plotting necessary data which will be helpful for the analysis of the India for the COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, so this is basically the goal of our project. Thank you for listening.